Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change screen timeout on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to display. And display, okay, scroll down and find the screen timeout. And okay guys, the screen timeout is set into 1 minute. To change the screen timeout of your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is tap the screen timeout. And now here, there are options here. You can set into 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes. And okay guys, so I decide to change into 10 minutes. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the screen timeout on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.